Upperly Road. Transfer is available to the 2 train. This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. Stop is
Financial District.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is
Financial District.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Lincoln Center.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Center. Transfer is available to the 2 train.
Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Chambers Street.
Customers off the train first.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next and last stop is
Rose Street.
Uptown. Local 1, train to Rector Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge. Riz up. Uptown. Local 1.
This is a Rector Street bound 1 train. The next stop is Financial District. Stand clear of the closing doors.